Hello, my name is Laura Peña. I am single. I am from Isnosville. I am 22 years old. I am studying agronomy in UNAM. House it life in Bogota. In my friend time, interested with my friends. I'm the whole work and what serious with the league of I am going to I put my hot the mind to this plants is not are uh, sorry in isnos are actually like a pack very heat what and got break and also typical food in this city is the asado huilense and tamales. This meal is prepared with beef, yuk, carne, chorizo envuelto arepa. Did my celebrative eat my city and San Juanero Huilense Festival of Blanc out with and Patron Seed Festival. Um, sorry, sorry. In Dixit, digamos, celebrative people usually and dancing of delicious playgrounds of chance and family activity of finally initiative visitors can climb a clock, hiking, horseback riding, camping, and watch in the rivers. Thank you.